Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we are comparing two very powerful AI apps, that is Photopea and Firefly AI. We want to see which of these free photo editor wins. Now let's get started. If you need a powerful free photo editor but you can't decide between the two, in just a few seconds I'll break down which one is best for you. Let's look at their price. Photopea is 100% free, while Adobe Firefly AI is free with limits, and it also has paid plans for full access. When it comes to the AI tools, Photopea has basic filters and manual editing, while Adobe Firefly AI has AI-powered magic, text-to-image, generative fill, and effects. When it comes to ease of use, Photopea feels like Photoshop, that it has steep learning curve, while Adobe Firefly AI is super intuitive and is great for beginners. When we look at their features, Photopea has layers, marks, and advanced editing, while Adobe Firefly has AI-enhanced creativity, auto-fix, style transfer. When it comes to who they are best for, Photopea is best for pros who want a free Photoshop alternative, while Adobe Firefly is best for beginners and creators who love AI-powered editing. So side by side, we can see that Photopea is like a free Photoshop clone, powerful but manual, while Firefly AI is like AI magic at your fingertips. If you want precision, Photopea, but if you want speed and AI creativity, simply choose Firefly. So which do you prefer? Comments below. Drop a like for Photopea or a fire for Firefly. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI tool showdown. See you next time.